Hey friends, welcome back. My skin is going through it lately with school, work, and everything. I just wanted to do like a DIY facial at home. So let's go. This is my hair. Random, I know. I'm going to put a headband on just for the aesthetic, and also I want to feel like I'm at a spa, guys. I want to feel like I'm at a spa. But first, I must say I am not an esthetician. I did my own research, and you should too before doing this. Shaving your face removes hair, dead skin cells, which can brighten the look of your skin, and also makeup application is just flawless, guys. Flawless. After removing all the hair off my face, I'm going to cleanse with my Fenty cleanser using my Duvolle skincare system. Guys, after receiving this, I've been using it and I've been loving it. The spinning massage motion offers superior cleanse, which I really love, and it comes with 2 interchangeable facial brush heads. One cleanse and the other exfoliates. How bomb is that? If you're thinking of elevating your shower routine, a large body brush will definitely do the job, which is included, and a pumice stone. Now, the pumice stone is key, guys, for getting those stubborn heel backs together after summertime and during summertime. If you're interested in elevating your skincare from head to toe, definitely check my description box out where you could save 70% off. So we're going to steam our face, and this is something very new for me, but I've been really enjoying it. Steaming helps to just open up your pores, and if you have like blackhead, it really softens those blackhead for whenever you're ready to extract them or take them out, you know. So I'm doing that and I'm just really enjoying it. So I did receive this little kit with my steamer. It's basically an extraction kit, and I'm going to use this one right here to remove my whiteheads. Now I'm just really taking my time, not pulling on my skin too hard, or you know, just taking my time to remove those whiteheads. So next I'm using my Dermalogica gentle scrub, and I'm just really doing a quick little scrub before going in with my skincare. So I have 3 masks, but I think the soothing green tea is what's calling my name. I love the color, so definitely going to use this one today. And yeah, I'm going to apply it and leave it on for like 5 minutes and then wipe it off. I'm just really going to take this time to just relax. It's my time. So I'm removing this now with my microfiber towel. It's really soft and gentle on my skin, and I did let it stay a little longer, guys, because you know I'm just in the zone. After giving my face a good rinse, I did tone. Didn't show that part, but this is the toner I love so much. After toning, I went in with my face serum, and this face serum is from Fresh. It's a Fresh Nectar face serum. I really love it, really love it, guys. So I'm going to work that serum into my skin by using circular motion. To lock that serum in, I'm going with my Fresh Vitamin Nectar moisturizer. Love this. I think I used too much here, but hey, love it nevertheless. So here I'm applying a lip mask. This lip mask is all the rave for me because it's so affordable and it really keeps my lips moisturized whenever I put it on. It's really good. So let's talk about this tool, because I would normally use my hands using this motion, but I found this tool and I've been really loving it. It helps to reduce puffiness in the face, knots, and helps with blood circulation. My technique is not the best, it's not the best techniques, but hey, it works for me and I love it so much. So next I'm applying a under eye cream. I do really need the under eye cream because I am going to bed like 2-3 o'clock in the night. This is the Bobbi Brown multivitamin eye cream, I believe, and I'm really using my fingers to just work it in gently under my eyes because your eyes are so sensitive. But guys, if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe or think about subscribing. But this is how my face is looking and I love it. Hey guys, it's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, definitely go check out Duvolle skincare system. You will save 70% off if you use my code CARJ. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.